And we are back from the break. You're vibing with Casmar for Fashion Night Out. Of course, you're watching Pree Dis. If you know me, you know I can't live without watches. And of course, the two that watch right there, so I want one for myself. So right now, we're going to get into our water music video premiere this week. Let's check out which joints are banging. We have some new one right here on Pree Dis. Check them out.
I look up to you like the sky, and still you tell me lie. Me put my foot in your shoes and step and think it with the eye. It look like you don't realize. Say you my idolize, but you is not what I think you was. That was just a disguise.
You used to be my idol. I used to look up to you for survival. Hey, but now I realize you were only wearing a disguise. Hey, you used to be my idol. I used to look up to you for survival. Hey, but now I realize that you were only wearing a disguise.
Fashion night with them, so be prepared to see some crazy fashion, some from Jamaicans, and especially like the women with them hair and everything. Get excited for that now. This upcoming segment is brought to you by Sport Water. It's called Pree Dis Sports, and of course this week we have some more highlights from a recent netball match between Advantage General and Housing Agency. Now Pree Dis Sports, check it out.
Tugila do road and them dash overboard. Do road and cut like a samurai sword. Do road and come back with the Bugle load. Do road like a me set the code. Do road and them dash overboard. Do road and cut like a samurai sword. Do road and come back with the Bugle load. Do road like a me set the code. Pass pan the ends, me see the youth them a post. When you see no smoke, now I go through them nose. Dipping on me close, pop out me bill fall. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chalice load. Do road from man a baby in a stroller. From predator no have no shoulders. Them a coward, we a soldier. We a look for the police and a them Corolla. So, we bad whole and not halfway. No boy can't draw no line and no cross them. Them have to say, to the real boss. And every girl I say, to them a...
Here what happened now, a hijack a juice chucking. I know it's fashion night, but this is all you can drink. We'll take our third commercial break. When we come back, we have a lot more Pree Dis right here. We'll see you forward.